Today I'll show how to buy shares of Innate Pharma SA, confirming the search for how to buy shares of Innate Pharma SA. Innate Pharma is a French biotech listed on Euronext under the ticker IPH.PA. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and you will need to add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IPH.PA to find the listing. Locate the Euronext entry and pick the instrument that matches Innate Pharma SA. On the asset page, you'll see a short company summary and the price chart showing recent market data. Confirm the company name, Euronext listing, and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the platform will schedule the order for the next session, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be placed. Your open position will appear in your portfolio after execution. For convenience, the direct link to eToro is in the video description.